Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the microphone isn't working on your Motorola Moto G10 smartphone. First of all, let's try to manually fix this issue by unclogging the microphone port at the bottom of our device. As you can see, it's pretty tiny, so it will be difficult to access this thing unless you have some sort of a soft brush. I recommend using a soft brush and try to carefully unclog your microphone port with it. If you don't have it, try using a tiny pin of non-conductive materials, for example plastic or wood would be great. Do not use any metallic tools. Do not put any metallic tools here ever. You will only break your microphone. And then once you're done, try testing your device's microphone, for example using your voice assistant. Let's try to bring it here and tell something to it. And as you can see, it can clearly hear me right now. So if this fixed the issue for you, then that's great. But if it didn't, then first of all, disable Bluetooth to make sure that your voice isn't rerouted to one of your Bluetooth devices, and then try checking the microphone once again. And if this didn't help you, let's check for any possible background interference. So if it's some application that your voice is rerouted to, then in order to get rid of any third-party apps working in the background, we're gonna have to reboot our device to safe mode. And to do that, just hold down the power button for a while until you see the power menu, and hold your finger down on the power off option until you see reboot to safe mode. Then tap OK and wait until your phone is restarted. And then you're gonna have to check your microphone in the safe mode and see if this resolves an issue. Once your device reboots into the safe mode, try checking your microphone once again. And in case it works in here, then the issue must be some sort of third-party application, and you can try to check which one by going to settings and, for example, checking the applications that use the most of your battery power. In battery menu, just check usage details, and most probably this app will be shown among these applications, and you can simply uninstall this application or restrict background activity for it. But if it's not here, you can also check the apps in apps notifications, tap see all apps, and find the application that could have interfere with your microphone and remove it. Then restart your phone. However, if this didn't fix your issue, then we should check for software updates, and in a moment I'm going to show you how to do that. To update your software version, first of all, make sure that the airplane mode is disabled after you left the safe mode. Then make sure to connect to the Wi-Fi, go to settings on your smartphone, and in settings menu we're gonna have to scroll down to system, then select advanced system updates, and then once your network connection returns, check for available updates on your smartphone, and if you do have an update, then try to update your device to the latest software version. Yeah, usually this menu is pretty laggy. After restart, you're gonna have to wait for a while. But yeah, once you restart your device, once you update and restart your device, check your microphone once again. If it still isn't working, then at this point it must be some sort of a hardware issue, and you should get your phone repaired in order to fix it. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.